Good day everyone, welcome to my channel. So in this video, I will teach you guys on how to write and prepare a system quotation for a software project. Before we start, I would like to say thank you so much to all my viewers, silent viewers, and supporters in my channel. Thank you for watching my videos. If you are new with my channel and then you like this video, please hit the like button. Don't forget to share and please support my channel guys by clicking the subscribe button. So let's begin. In this example, I will discuss how to prepare a system quotation for a software project. We will call this project Travel and Tour Management System Quotation. Thank you for considering our services for the development of a travel and tour management system. We understand that your team is participating in a bidding process, and we are pleased to provide you with the following quotation, including comprehensive features and competitive prices. Project description. We propose to develop a robust and scalable travel and tour management system that will automate and streamline your company operations. Our solution will encompass a wide range of modules and functionalities. System functionality. Number 1. Home. Banner slider. Create an interactive and visually appealing banner slider on the homepage to showcase promotional offers, destination highlights, or featured services. Number 2. About us. Provide a dedicated section that provides information about your travel agency, its mission, values, and unique selling points. Promo and services. Display promotions, discounts, or featured services to attract customer attention and encourage engagement. We have here number 2, flights. Search engine with fields. Develop a user-friendly flight search engine with fields for entering destination, travel dates, and the number of travelers. Enable users to easily search and find available flights. Payment gateway. Integrate a secure payment gateway to facilitate online flight bookings and enable customers to make secure transactions. Number 3, holidays. List of tour services around UAE. Display a comprehensive list of tours and services available in the UAE, such as desert safaris, water parks, city tours, cruises, and other popular attractions. Tour packages options. Present different holiday tour packages that customers can choose from, including various activities, durations, and price ranges. Number 4, visa. Display information about UAE visa. Provide detailed information about UAE visas, including validity, requirements, and specific regulations or restrictions. Visa form. Offer a user-friendly form where customers can enter their name, contact information, visa type, and nationality to initiate the visa processing process. Number 5. Rent a car. Display list of cars and price. Showcase a variety of available cars for rent, along with corresponding rental prices, specifications, and features. Inquiry button. Provide a convenient inquiry button that allows customers to request more information about specific car rental options or to inquire about availability and booking procedures. Number 6. Contact us. Create a dedicated Contact Us section with contact details, including phone numbers, email addresses, and physical address. System features. Number 1. Menu drop-down menu management. Implement a robust menu management system that allows you to easily create, modify, and organize the navigation menu or drop-down menus on your website. Number 2. Sections management. Provide a flexible sections management feature that allows you to create and manage different sections of your website. Number 3. WhatsApp chat integration. Integrate a live chat functionality such as WhatsApp into your website to facilitate real-time communication with your customers. Number 4. Responsive. Compatible to all devices. to ensure that your website is responsive and compatible with various devices including desktops, laptops, tablets, and mobile phones. Number 5. Content Management System or CMS. Incorporate a robust content management system that allows you to easily modify, add, or delete content on your website without requiring technical expertise. Our competitive price for developing the travel and tour management system, including the features mentioned above, is 1 million pesos. Please note that this is a preliminary estimate and the total cost may vary based on project scope, specific requirements, and additional customization requested during the implementation phase. We assured you of our commitment to delivering a high-quality solution that meets your business needs. Our experienced team will provide ongoing support and collaboration throughout the development process. Should you have any further questions or require additional information, please feel free to contact us. We look forward to the opportunity to work with you and contribute to your success in the bidding process. So in this sample quotation, yours truly, Professor Jake Rodriguez Pomperada, Maid IT MIT, software engineer, IT consultant, and project manager, and Jason V. Castellano, software engineer. Okay guys, so this is the end of our sample tour, travel and tour management system quotation, a software engineering project proposal. I hope that you get some idea and learn something new in this video. Thank you so much for listening and watching this video. Don't forget to like, share, and please support my channel guys if you're new by clicking the subscribe button. See you in the next video tutorial guys. This is your friend Jake saying bye bye for now.